Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm here to share with you my Easter brunch tablescape. You know me, I love simple elegance, and today I'm sharing with you a few styling ideas and tips to help you create a beautiful and inviting table this Easter. I've mixed greens, golds with neutrals and created a beautiful setup that's not overdone, but definitely a nod to the season. I'd like to share with you all of the items in the video today and also a trick in terms of how to alleviate the burden of having to iron your napkins. So friends, I hope you stay till the end of the video and thanks so much for watching. So for the table setting, the chargers are from Crate & Barrel. The leaf dinner plates and salad plates that are in white are from Macy's. The green and gold lattice salad plate is from Williams-Sonoma, along with the honeycomb appetizer plates with the gold bee on top. The napkins are from Amazon, and the tea, coffee, drinkware is also from Macy's from years ago. I'd like to share with you a trick here, and this is how I prevent from having to iron napkins. You take your napkin and you put a fork directly in the middle, and you turn either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending upon what's comfortable for you. And as you twist, you simply just gather the napkin and pull it together. Here, I definitely pull it together because I want it to look very smooth and not see too many of the edges. And then you pull it up and you keep rolling, and then you can simply insert that in a cup, or you could tuck the bottom and sit it on a plate, and it looks like, to me, a coffee drink, or you can make it look like a rose by just adding a petal on the side. So that's a quick tip to prevent from ironing napkins that I love. So let's cut back here to my table. And in this view, you can see that I finished setting the table. I've added drinkware and flatware. The drinkware is from Macy's and the flatware is from Home Goods from years ago. I set the table using a garland and a gauze table runner. The table runner is in the color green moss from Amazon. And then the two green garland strands are from Michael's, and they're actually eucalyptus. And then I took 4 orchid stems that I got from Temu, and I simply just placed the 4 stems, 2 on one side, 2 on the other, evenly down the table. And then I sprinkled in some plastic eggs that I got from the iridescent eggs are from Michael's, and the gold eggs are from Temu. And I just sprinkled those about. I can't do too much in terms of the middle of my table because my table is very narrow, but the table itself is long to fit the room. But with that, I do like to entertain, whereas I do like grandeur. So the vases that I used is clear, so people can still see around one another. And then I used the calla lily stems that I got from Amazon. That allows conversation to continue, and I don't have to move the vase itself during the meal so that people can see. Very simple here. I do have 2 butterflies that are there that are from Macy's. And then of course, the 2 candlesticks. Those candle holders actually came from Macy's from years ago. When I say years ago, probably more than 18 years ago at this point. And then a crystal cross that I have there that I've had over 10 years. Another styling tip is that you notice that I rotate the patterns of the plates on the table. It keeps the table interesting and allows you to quote unquote decorate without over decorating. So part of the logic behind that is because I only had 4 sets of 4 plates of the green lattice plates. To use what I have, I just rotated the mix of them. Definitely nice. It makes everyone's place setting almost feel like it's individual to them. So I like that styling tip. One thing that I did was the extra chair that I have in the corner there, I keep it in the corner, but just because I like balance, I have plants in one corner and the chair in the other corner. But I did change the pillows in the room from black to a light gray just for the season. But this is my Easter brunch tablescape. Um, Calla lilies are my favorite flower. As we pan to the right, you'll also see I have Easter lilies that are styled on the console. My TV art is set to a resurrection photo because Jesus is the reason for the season. Easter lilies are definitely a nod to the season. Along with the lilies, I do have a ceramic egg there that is lit and it came from Temu, and then another butterfly that came from Macy's. I like to use this console table not only for decor, but also for service. I do have a large white gardenia flower there, and that came from Macy's. So like I do in all of my videos with still photos, I thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any questions about anything you saw in the video, please feel free to leave me a comment. I appreciate your time. I hope you have a wonderful week as we prepare for Resurrection Sunday. And like I always say, if you're not having a good day, stop and say a prayer. Prayer changes things. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.
I cast my net, there's no end in sight. An ocean full of mercy with God as my light. Every wave is a gift, overflowing grace. With the touch of His hand, there's no empty space. Loaves in His palm, He broke them wide. Fed the crowd, now we're multiplying. No hunger here, just love and peace. From the net to the plate, it's a heavenly feast. I'm hooked for life, fishing in the deep. Blessing so big, and too much to keep. Hooked for life, with a line so strong. Every cast another miracle comes along. I'm hooked for life, God's got me reeling. Ever catch another soul, He's healing. Hooked for life, and I ain't letting go. In the sea of grace, it's overflow. No need to chase, the catch is near. With God as my anchor, I ain't got no fear. He turned a few fish into a feast so grand. I'm just following His plan, rod steady in my hand. The sea is wide, but His love runs deeper. I'm anchored in faith, He's my soul's keeper. Every catch, every net, I give Him praise. From sunrise to sunset, His glory stays. I'm hooked for life.